Now let me take you inside of the software, show you around, show you some of the results that Demetrius is getting for himself and his clients. Now I'm going to show you these because I want to show you some of the or the potential that there is with Pinterest. If you're anything like me, then you probably don't realize exactly how much potential there is there. I certainly didn't know anything about this, but let me just show you this. You can see there that the impressions 1.8 million. Okay, now I think these are sites, clients that Demetrius and his wife are running for different people. You can see revenue 13, just over 13k there. So you can see this is the kind of thing that you could probably do. I mean, this is nutrition, health, wellness, fitness. And let's have a look at this. 30 days, last 30 days, and wait for it. So 2.4 million impressions. And the outbound clicks, nearly 67,000 outbound clicks. So that should show you the potential that there is with Pinterest and using the traffic wave generator system. So let's see, let's look at this. There's a few more here. I think he's got another one actually. So this one here, $36,000 in revenue over the last 30 days for this client. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you roughly how this software works. Essentially what you do is you set up a wave campaign. Now, a wave campaign is, or it can be 30 days long, and you can set this up in just a couple of minutes using